Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to graph lines using the intercept because in this chapter 4, you know, basically 80% of what we're going to do will be based on, first of all, how to graph a straight line, how to graph a linear equation. So one of the methods is to use the intercept, the x-intercept and the y-intercept, instead of using two random points. We all agree that if you want to graph a line, you just need 2 points on that line. But since you have the freedom to choose any 2 points, why not choose the x-intercept and the y-intercept? So if we have a line right here, randomly, this is my line. We all know this point is the x-intercept, and this point is the y-intercept. Okay, and when you look closely at the x-intercept, right here, the y is always equal to 0. At the x-intercept, the y is equal to 0 because this point is straight on the x-axis. And conversely, at the y-intercept, the x is equal to 0. Therefore, we have this golden rule. If you want to find the x-intercept, what you do is what? You set y equals 0 and then solve for x. And conversely, if you want to find the y-intercept, you do the other way around. To find the y-intercept, what you do, we set x to 0. So set x equals 0 and solve for y. Okay. This is what you're going to use in this video, right? Okay, so let's come up with an example. So first of all, let's do this. Let's come up with an example. If we graph the line of equation 3x minus 4y equal 12 using the intercept. Okay. So we're going to just follow what she said. So I need me a couple of points. So address my t table xy here. I need me 2 points. So I want to find the x-intercept. I follow the guideline. What I do, I set y equals 0 in the equation. So my equation says 3x minus 4y equal 12. If I set y equals 0, it means I'm going to substitute y with 0. So this y here, I'm going to substitute 0. It's going to be what? 3x minus 4 times 0 equal 12. We all know that 4 times 0 is just 0, right? And that leaves me with 3x equal 12. And then to get x by itself, I divide both sides by 3. So I got divide by 3, so I get x equal 4. I just came up with my first point, x is 4 and y is 0. I plot that point, so let me first erase this one right here to free the system. Now I plot my point for 0. So x is 4 right here, and y is 0. So that's my point for 0. That's my x-intercept. Now to find the y-intercept, I do the other way around. For the y-intercept now, what I do is I set x equals 0. So what I got 3x minus 4y equal 12. So this x will be set to 0. So I get 3 times 0 minus 4y equal 12. See? So 3 times 0 is, of course, 0. So I'm left with negative 4y equal 12. So what I do, I divide both sides by -4, -4, so I get y equal -3. So my y-intercept is a point -3 for y and 0 for x. So where is that point here? It will be on the y-axis is this one right here. Now I have my 2 points. All what I do is to connect them with a straight line. I'm sorry, my line was not that straight, okay? So this is one type of equation that do look like this. So what if the equation is a little different in the form, right? And let's see how it's gonna look like. So what if the equation looks like this? So graph the equation, graph the line of equation y equal 2x minus 5. You see, the equation can be of this form, but it doesn't change what you're gonna do. If I want to use the intercept, if I want to use the x-intercept and the y-intercept, right? So I do the same thing for the x-intercept. I set y equals 0. You see, the only thing here now is y is by itself, so I set it equal to 0, so I get 0 equal 2x minus 5. Okay, and then I make sure, sorry, I make sure to solve the equation correctly. So on both sides, I add 5, add 5. Yes, this right. So we get, sorry about that. So we get 2x equal 5. And then we divide both sides by 2. So we get x equal 5/2. Don't be surprised if your answer is a fraction. A fraction is just a number. Okay, so x is 5/2 in this case, and y is 0. So we go back here and we plot the point 5/2, which is 2.5, right? Which is about here. That's 5/2, 0. Okay, and then we come back to find the y-intercept. The y-intercept, now I set x equals 0. You see, my equation reads y equal 2x minus 5. So I set x equals 0, so it's going to be y equal 2 times 0 minus 5. This is gone, so which means y equals -5. So my y-intercept is -5 for y and 0 for x. It's 0, -5. Come back and plot my y-intercept here. That's a point 0, -5. So, and then to do my graph, I just connect them with a straight line, right? Again, in the classwork or in the test, you have to use a ruler to make the line straight. All right, so this was a short video on how to graph a linear equation using the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So we're going to come back in the next video to show how to graph a vertical line and how to graph a horizontal line. Thank you.